the customer states that the car overheats when it's at a stop. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose it. You can do it in other ways, but for today I'm going to show you how to use the power probe to diagnose it, just because it saves me time, it saves you time, and that's how we make money. Connector off of this. Alright, so I know that this fan doesn't work, and that's because I didn't hear it working. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. You get your power probe and you use the ground here, and you're going to put it on the ground for the connector. And then you're going to bring your power probe and you're going to stick it into the positive right over here, and you push this inside. If you push it or you don't see a reading, that means that your fan is broken. That's the connector, because that's what's going to tell you if you have a bad fuse or relay. The way you can do that is you just bring the power probe and you put it on the positive. And as you see, you can't read it. You can't read anything. Put on the negative, you find the negative. Okay. So it's working. So the negative is working, but the positive is not working. Alright, I took the other side off. Sorry, I had to put the camera down because I don't have anybody that can hold it for me. You're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna put this over here. And you're gonna put that over here. So you'll see that there's a reading. What you're gonna do is just press it. And you'll see that it's working. And that's it. That's how you test it. Now if you do this test and both of them pass, that means that either the connector is bad or the fuse is bad. And the way you can check that is you bring this power probe, or you can just buy a $6 fuse check. The screwdriver from Harbor Freight, and you use it. Check all of them, see which one is bad, and then you use the fuse box cover to see which is which, and you can replace them with these. Meter or a multimeter, and then you put the probes, you put the negative on the left, positive on the right, and you'll see that I have here 0.6 to 0.7 ohms of resistance. And so I'm going to check the other side to show you what the result. You can see that on the bad fan, I'm getting 0 or unknown resistance, which means that one's bad. You can also put on the sound one, the sound feature on this Harbor Freight multimeter. It wasn't expensive, and you still get nothing, which means this fan is bad.